In today's video, we are gonna talk about the building blocks of life, the DNA. Get ready to unlock the secrets of our genetic blueprint as we learn about the world of DNA and its role in shaping who we are. Deep within the cells of every living organism lies a wonder of nature, the incredible molecule known as DNA, short for deoxyribonucleicacid. DNA carries the instructions necessary for the development, functioning, and reproduction of all known forms of life. Imagine DNA as a sophisticated information storage system. It consists of a double helix structure, formed by intertwining strands made up of 4 chemical building blocks called nucleotides: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These nucleotides act like letters in alphabet, spelling out the code of life. But how does this code work? Let's find out. These codes are a complex language that determines the sequence of amino acids and proteins, which are the building blocks of life and essential for the structure and functioning of cells and organisms. The genetic code consists of specific sequences of 3 nucleotides called codons, which act as instructions for the production of specific amino acids. There are 64 possible codons, each representing one of the 20 amino acids found in proteins, as well as start and stop signals to control protein synthesis. This elegant system of DNA and the genetic code holds the key to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. It determines our physical traits, susceptibility to diseases, and even influences our behaviors to some extent. It's the reason why we share similarities with our parents, siblings, and even distant ancestors. Advancements in genetic research have allowed us to unravel the secrets hidden within our DNA. Scientists can now read, edit, and manipulate genetic information, opening up possibilities for groundbreaking discoveries and advancements in medicine, agriculture, and beyond. And there you have it. The captivating world of DNA and the genetic code. From its elegant structure to its role in shaping life's diversity, DNA is the remarkable molecule that connects all living organisms on Earth. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of genetics, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. If you found this exploration of DNA and the genetic code fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Microscopic Galaxy channel for more mind-expanding content on the wonders of science. Remember, within the spiral staircase of DNA lies the blueprint of life itself. Thank you for watching and stay curious.